It's a yacht so successful that among owners, crew, and industry veterans, it's simply referred to by its length. Fantastic performance, great seakeeping, a large volume interior, and excellent resale value are reasons why it's so successful. A great captain and crew who adhere to a strict maintenance and conditioning schedule, an extensive interior refit in 2021, completed for an owner with good taste, are reasons why the 112 Westport Sojourn is one of the best buys for a turnkey yachting experience. I'm Kevin Frawley with Resolute Yachting, and I'm here to take you through her. Built in 2006, Sojourn is a 112 Westport raised pilot house motor yacht. She has 4 staterooms, 5 heads, a large country kitchen forward, and the main salon using the full beam of the boat. In 2021, Sojourn completed an extensive interior refit. Every headliner, all hardwood flooring, carpeting, appliances, stone countertops, furniture, interior and exterior soft goods, and AV equipment. One of the reasons the 112 Westport is so successful is because of its performance and efficiency. She can reach speeds of over 24 knots, can efficiently cruise at lower speeds. At a slow cruising speed of 14 knots, she only burns 40 gallons per hour. At faster cruising speeds of 20 knots, it's only 110 gallons an hour. Stepping into the main salon, we have a formal bar off to port with an ice maker inside, then a TV inside the cabinet off to starboard. Then in the main salon, we have 2 leather couches facing each other, and then just move right forward into the formal dining for 8. Up forward, we have the country kitchen with informal dining. They added the waterfall countertop to the galley, and all the appliances were replaced in 2021 as well. Down and forward from the galley, we have the VIP suite equipped with its in-suite head and shower. The master stateroom is a full beam and has the his and her heads that have a shared large shower. This one also has the steam feature as well. To the aft, we have the 3rd and 4th staterooms. One is equipped with a queen-size berth and in-suite head, the other with split berths and in-suite head. You step into the raised pilot house and you have a large settee aft, and then it's a big comfortable space with great visibility all around. We got a full electronic suite, everything you need to run the boat efficiently and be comfortable for the crew. On the aft deck, we have teak decks, and then we have a large dining area for 10 with a high-gloss teak table. Then there's a bar with those leathered stone countertops, a TV, ice maker, and a fridge. When we head up to the flybridge, we have a helm station as well as wing stations on either side. Then we have a dining area to starboard with 2 large high-gloss teak tables that can seat up to 10. Then we have a bar with 4 stools, leathered stone countertops, as well as the electric chef grill, a fridge, and an ice maker. Stepping down to the boat deck, we have a large sun pad with a jacuzzi underneath, and then a seating area and cocktail table. Then we have aft in the boat deck, we have lounge chairs and storage for 2 wave runners, and the nautical structure's 2,000-pound davit. Up on the foredeck, we have 2 Maxwell 4500 hydraulic windlasses for anchoring and a circular seating that were all reupholstered in 2021. Thank you so much for coming on board the 112 Westport Sojourn. It's a fantastic boat that's been cared for by a great crew, and a turnkey operation that's ready for our next owner. Contact me if you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing.